Good morning. Are you looking for a taxi?
Yes, please. I need to go to the airport.
Of course. Which airport do you need? We have two airports in the city.
The main airport, please. The international one.
Perfect. That is Kennedy International Airport. Please get in the car.
Thank you. How long does it take to get there?
It usually takes about 30 minutes, but today is Monday morning, so there is more traffic.
Oh no, my flight is at 11 o'clock. What time is it now?
It is 9:15 now. Don't worry, we have enough time.
Good. I was very worried. This is my first time flying alone.
Really? Where are you going?
I'm going to London. I'm visiting my sister there.
That sounds wonderful. Is this your first time in London?
Yes, it is. I am very excited, but also nervous.
London is a beautiful city. You will love it there. Does your sister live there?
Yes, she moved there 2 years ago. She works for a big company.
That's nice. What does she do?
She's a teacher. She teaches English to foreign students.
Interesting. So she can show you all the good places in London.
Yes, she made a big list of places to visit. Museums, parks, shops.
How long will you stay there?
I will stay for 2 weeks. I took vacation from my job.
2 weeks is perfect. You can see many things. What is your job?
I work in a hospital. I am a nurse.
That is a very important job. Do you like working in the hospital?
Yes, I do. I like helping people, but sometimes it is very hard work.
I understand. My wife is also a nurse. She works at City Hospital.
Really? Which department does she work in?
She works in the children's department. She loves working with kids.
That's wonderful. I work with older people. They have many interesting stories.
I bet they do. How long have you been a nurse?
For 5 years now. I studied nursing at the university here.
Good for you. Education is very important. Do you have children?
No, I don't, but I want to have children someday. Do you have children?
Yes, we have 2 children, a boy and a girl. The boy is 8 years old and the girl is 5.
That's nice. What are their names?
The boy is called Tom and the girl is called Emma. They are good kids.
Do they go to school?
Tom goes to elementary school. Emma goes to kindergarten.
Are they excited about summer vacation?
Oh yes, they want to go to the beach every day. We live near the ocean.
That sounds perfect for children. I loved the beach when I was little.
Do you live near the ocean too?
No, I live in the city center, but I like to visit the beach on weekends.
The city center is nice too. You can walk to many places.
Yes, that's true. I walk to work every day. It takes me 15 minutes.
Walking is good exercise. I sit in the car all day, so I need to exercise more.
Have you been a taxi driver for a long time?
Yes, for 10 years now. I started when Tom was born.
Do you like your job?
Most of the time, yes. I meet many interesting people, like you. But traffic can be stressful.
I imagine it can be difficult. Do you work every day?
No, I work 6 days a week. Sunday is my day off.
What do you do on Sundays?
We usually go to the park with the children. Sometimes we visit my parents.
That sounds nice. Do your parents live in the city?
No, they live in a small town about 1 hour away. They have a big garden.
I love gardens. What do they grow?
They grow vegetables and flowers, tomatoes, carrots, roses, and many other things.
My grandmother had a garden too. She grew the best tomatoes in the neighborhood.
Homegrown vegetables always taste better. Do you cook a lot?
Yes, I love cooking. I cook dinner every night after work.
What is your favorite food to cook?
I love making pasta. It is easy and delicious. What about you?
My wife does most of the cooking, but I make breakfast on Sunday mornings.
What do you usually make for breakfast?
Pancakes! The children love them. Sometimes I make eggs and bacon too.
That sounds delicious. I usually just have coffee and toast in the morning.
Coffee is very important. I cannot start my day without coffee.
Me too. I drink at least 3 cups every day.
3 cups? That's a lot. I usually drink 2 cups.
I know it's too much, but I get very tired without coffee.
Working in a hospital must be very tiring. What time do you start work?
I start at 7 in the morning, so I wake up at 6 o'clock.
That's early. What time do you finish work?
I finish at 3 in the afternoon. Then I have the evening free.
That's nice. You can enjoy the evening. Do you have hobbies?
Yes, I love reading books. I read every evening before bed.
What kind of books do you like?
I like mystery books and romance novels. What about you?
I don't read much. I prefer watching TV or listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like old rock music. The Beatles, Queen, things like that.
Oh, I love Queen too. Their music is amazing.
Yes, Bohemian Rhapsody is my favorite song.
That's a great song. Do you play any instruments?
I used to play guitar when I was younger, but I don't have time now.
Maybe you can teach your children to play guitar.
That's a good idea. Tom is very interested in music.
Children learn music very quickly. It's good for their brains, too.
You're right. We should think about music lessons for them.
There are many good music schools in the city.
I will talk to my wife about it. She always has good ideas about the children.
It sounds like you have a wonderful family.
Thank you. I am very lucky. What about your family?
I have my parents and my sister in London. My parents live in another city.
Do you visit your parents often?
I try to visit them once a month. They are getting older now.
It's important to spend time with family. How old are your parents?
My father is 65 and my mother is 62.
Are they retired?
My father is retired, but my mother still works part-time.
What does your mother do?
She works in a library. She has always loved books.
That's a nice job for someone who loves books. Is the library big?
Yes, it's the main library in their city. She has worked there for 20 years.
Wow, that's a long time. She must know everything about that library.
She does. People always ask her for help finding books.
Librarians are very helpful people. What about your father?
He was an engineer. He worked for a construction company.
Did he build houses?
No, he worked on big buildings, office buildings, schools, hospitals.
That's interesting work. Did he enjoy it?
Yes, he loved his job. He still talks about his projects all the time.
It must be nice to see buildings that you helped create.
Yes, he shows me buildings around the city and says, I worked on that one.
That's sweet. He must be proud of his work.
He is. He always tells me to work hard and be proud of what I do.
That's good advice. Parents always have the best advice.
Yes, they do, even when we don't want to listen to them.
Ha, that's true. Children never want to listen to their parents.
Did you listen to your parents when you were young?
Not always. I thought I knew everything when I was 18.
We all think that when we are young. Now I call my parents for advice all the time.
Same here. My parents help us with the children too.
Do they live near you?
No, but they visit us every few weeks. The children love their grandparents.
Grandparents are special. They spoil the children.
Oh yes, they always bring toys and candy. My wife gets angry sometimes.
But that's what grandparents do. It's their job to spoil grandchildren.
You're right. I remember my grandparents did the same thing for me.
Did you know your grandparents well?
Yes, I was very close to my grandmother. She taught me how to cook.
That's wonderful. What did she teach you to make?
She taught me how to make soup and bread. I still use her recipes.
Family recipes are the best. Do you make her soup for your family?
Yes, especially when someone is sick, it always makes them feel better.
Food made with love always tastes better and makes people feel better.
Exactly. My grandmother always said that.
Grandmothers are very wise. Mine taught me how to knit.
Do you still knit?
Sometimes. I made a scarf for my sister last Christmas.
I'm sure she loved it. Homemade gifts are very special.
She did love it. She wears it all the time in London.
London can be cold, so a warm scarf is perfect.
Yes, that's why I made it for her. I wanted her to think of home when she wears it.
That's very thoughtful. You sound like a good sister.
Thank you. I miss her a lot, so I'm very excited about this trip.
2 weeks will go by very quickly. You should take lots of pictures.
I will. I bought a new camera just for this trip.
What kind of camera?
A small digital camera. It's easy to carry around.
That's smart. You don't want to carry heavy things while walking around London.
Exactly. I want to walk everywhere and see everything.
London is a great city for walking. The public transportation is good too.
My sister told me about the subway system. She said it's very easy to use.
Yes, the London Underground is famous. You can get anywhere in the city.
I'm a little nervous about using it. I've never used a subway before.
Don't worry. Your sister will help you. And London people are very friendly.
I hope so. I'm not very good at asking for directions.
Just be polite and smile. Most people are happy to help tourists.
That's good to know. I was worried about getting lost.
Even if you get lost, it's part of the adventure. You might discover something new.
That's a good way to think about it. I should be more positive.
Yes, travel is about having new experiences. Good and bad experiences are both important.
You're right. I should be more brave about trying new things.
Exactly. And you already are being brave by traveling alone.
I hadn't thought about it that way. Thank you for saying that.
It's true. Many people are afraid to travel alone, especially to another country.
My parents were worried about me traveling alone.
That's normal. Parents always worry about their children.
I know, but I'm 27 years old. I should be able to travel alone.
Of course you should. You are an adult and a professional nurse.
Thank you for understanding. Sometimes I feel like my parents still see me as a child.
All parents are like that. My children are still small, but I know I will worry about them forever.
It's nice that parents care so much, even when it's too much sometimes.
Yes, it comes from love, even when it doesn't feel like it.
You're very wise. Do you give advice to all your passengers?
Only to the nice ones, like you. Some passengers don't want to talk at all.
Really? I love talking to people. It makes the trip more interesting.
I agree. I have learned so many things from my passengers over the years.
What's the most interesting thing you've learned?
I learned that people are basically the same everywhere. Everyone wants to be happy and loved.
That's beautiful. It's true, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It doesn't matter where people come from or what they do for work.
I see that in the hospital, too. when people are sick, they just want someone to care about them.
Exactly. Your job must teach you a lot about people.
It does. I've learned to be more patient and understanding.
Those are important qualities. The world needs more patient and understanding people.
Thank you. I try to be kind to everyone I meet.
I can tell. You are very easy to talk to.
So are you. This conversation has made me feel much less nervous about flying.
I'm glad to hear that. You're going to have a wonderful time in London.
I think so too. Thank you for being so friendly and helpful.
It's my pleasure. Oh, look, we can see the airport now.
Oh, wow, it's huge. I didn't expect it to be so big.
Kennedy Airport is one of the biggest airports in the world.
I might get lost just trying to find my gate.
Don't worry. There are signs everywhere, and the airport staff will help you.
I hope so. Which terminal do I need?
What airline are you flying with?
British Airways.
That's Terminal 7. I will drive you right to the entrance.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Here we are. Terminal 7, departures level.
This is perfect. How much do I owe you?
The fare is $42.
Here is $50. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. That's very generous.
You made this trip so pleasant. Thank you for the great conversation.
Thank you, too. Have a wonderful flight and a great time in London.
I will. Take care of yourself and your family.
We will. Safe travels.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Enjoy London.